That's Skyrocket.
Like, you curve up and then you go straight down. Hi!
Okay, so we at Kennywood. We're at the front gate, so we're just gonna ride Skyrocket first. Front row Skyrocket is actually pretty good. Like, pretty good. Jackrabbit. I think Jackrabbit is the most airtime I've ever gotten on a roller coaster, just from the fact that all you have is the seatbelt. It's just a seatbelt, and there's just like a bar to grab on. That's it. Seriously, that is wow. Steel Curtain. It's good. Lots of positives. But other than that, not very much. Yeah. Well, I guess that concludes my day at Kennywood. Racer was a W. Well, this is where I sign off. I'll probably be making a couple more videos on this later this week. If not, next week.
Ride I've ever read.
I would say that I think it's probably the craziest one I've ridden.
The steepest lift hill?
Well, that, yeah.
You rode Bell Ribbon, right?